Hi, I'm Mama Lisa. Here's the tacos that my grandkids love. And they're halfway brown now. We like our tacos with beans in them. Here's some black beans. Add your taco seasoning. I like to add a little bit chili pepper. Cook it until all the meat is done. When you see no more pink, a little bit garlic powder. Onion powder. Real tasty. Stir that in. Okay, we're back. And if you like that soft texture from Taco Bell, I put this in the blender for about 30 seconds. And it comes out so soft and delicious. Okay, now I have my tacos here. And I'm gonna make them a little healthier tonight. I'm using spinach, tomatoes, onions, and you could use the cheese of your choice. I'm gonna be using mozzarella today. If you never tried it, you have to. It's really good. Okay, we have our tacos standing here, and they're not standing very well. I'm gonna add in some tomatoes, spinach, use the cheese of your choice tonight. I'm in the mood for mozzarella. And top it with some onions. And add your taco sauce. Delicious. Please like and subscribe and comment if you enjoy tasty homemade meals. Have a great day.